Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Guide for You. Today, we're diving into the future of smartphones with Apple's brand new iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, the most powerful and advanced Pro models ever created. Let's talk design. These iPhones rock a striking new look, crafted from aerospace-grade 7000 series aluminum for a lightweight yet durable unibody. For the first time, Ceramic Shield 2 protects both the front and back, delivering 3 times better scratch resistance and 4 times better crack resistance. You can choose from 3 stunning finishes: deep blue, cosmic orange, and silver. At the heart of these beasts is the A19 Pro chip, the most capable iPhone chip yet. With a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU, it delivers up to 40% better sustained performance. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running advanced AI models, the A19 Pro, paired with an Apple-designed vapor chamber, keeps everything cool and lightning fast. Battery life? It's the best ever on an iPhone. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, with its larger battery and the efficiency of iOS 26, keeps you powered up longer. Charged to 50% in just 20 minutes with Apple's new 40-watt dynamic power adapter. And in select regions, eSIM-only models give you 2 extra hours of video playback. The camera system is insane. 3 48-megapixel fusion cameras, main, ultra-wide, and an all-new telephoto give you the equivalent of 8 Pro lenses. Zoom in with the longest optical zoom ever on iPhone at 8x. The new 18-megapixel center stage front camera takes selfies to the next level with AI-powered framing and 4K HDR video. Plus, dual capture lets you record from both front and rear cameras at once. Filmmakers, listen up. The iPhone 17 Pro is the first smartphone to support ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, and Genlock for precise video synchronization. Paired with tools like the Blackmagic Design Camera Pro Dock, it's a game-changer for any production, big or small. The Super Retina XDR display is brighter than ever, available in 6.3 and 6.9-inch sizes with 3000 nits of peak brightness and ProMotion up to 120 Hz. With Ceramic Shield 2 and an improved anti-reflective coating, your screen stays gorgeous and tough. Stay connected with the new N1 wireless chip supporting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread. iOS 26 brings Apple Intelligence to life with features like live translation and smarter visual search. Plus, new screening tools help you stay focused. Make it yours with new accessories like the tech-woven case, silicone case, and crossbody strap. And Apple's commitment to the planet shines through. iPhone 17 Pro uses 30% recycled content and is built for Apple 2030 carbon neutrality. Pricing starts at $1099 for the iPhone 17 Pro with 256 GB and $1199 for the Pro Max. Pre-orders kick off Friday, September 12th, with availability from September 19th. Head to apple.com for trade-in offers and carrier deals. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are redefining what a smartphone can do. Get ready to experience the future with Tech Guide for You. Available now at apple.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech updates.